This story guides you through a vivid and immersive journey of manifesting your dream home. Through the power of imagination and alignment with the universe, you'll be taken on a journey where a series of events, the bridge of incidents, lead you to acquire the land, build your dream home, and live in it. The home is a simple yet luxurious 4,200 square feet sanctuary nestled in the northern mountains of Arizona, where the weather is perfect and the surroundings are breathtaking. You've always had a vision of your perfect home, a place that feels like sanctuary, where every corner reflects your dreams and desires. This home isn't just a structure. It's a manifestation of all the inner work you've done, a physical representation of your alignment with the universe. One evening, as you sit by your window, watching the sunset, you allow yourself to fully immerse in this vision. You close your eyes and imagine the home in detail. The smell of the pine trees and the mountain air, the sound of a gentle breeze rustling through the trees, and the warm glow of sunlight streaming through the large windows. You see the landscape clearly, rolling hills of the northern Arizona mountains, where the air is crisp and the sky is vast and open. You see your dream home standing proudly on a large plot of land, 42 acres, with its majestic yet simple architecture blending seamlessly with the natural beauty around it. As you continue to hold this vision in your mind, the universe begins to orchestrate a series of events that will lead you to this dream home. The first incident happens unexpectedly. A conversation with a friend who recently moved to Arizona. They mentioned a piece of land for sale in the northern mountains, describing it as the perfect spot for a home. You feel a spark of recognition, as if the universe is whispering, "This is it." You decide to explore further, and through a series of seemingly random but perfectly aligned incidents, you find yourself on a path that leads directly to this land. Perhaps you stumble upon a real estate listing at just the right time, or a financial opportunity presents itself, allowing you to acquire the money needed to purchase the land. Each step, each event feels effortless, as if the universe is clearing the way for you. The money comes from an unexpected source, a sudden windfall, an investment that pays off beyond your wildest dreams, or a generous benefactor who believes in your vision. The bridge of incidents is a testament to the power of your imagination and your unwavering belief in your dream. With the land now yours, you begin to plan your dream home. You hire an architect who understands your vision perfectly. A home that is simple yet luxurious, spacious yet cozy. Every detail is carefully considered, from the placement of the windows to maximize the stunning mountain views, to the choice of materials that blend with the natural surroundings. The construction process feels like a dream. Every brick, every beam, every tile is placed with intention, as if the home is being built not just with materials, but with love, gratitude, and the energy of your manifested desires. The home slowly takes shape, and as it does, you feel a deep sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. This is more than just a house. It's a symbol of everything you've worked for, everything you've believed in. Finally, the day arrives when the construction is complete. You stand at the front door of your new home, key in hand, heart racing with excitement. The sun is setting, casting a golden glow over the mountains, and you take a deep breath, feeling the cool mountain air fill your lungs. As you step inside, You're greeted by the warmth of your new home. The interiors are exactly as you envisioned, open, airy, with large windows that frame the breathtaking views of the mountains. The living room is cozy yet elegant, with a fireplace that crackles softly, filling the room with a gentle warmth. The kitchen is spacious, with marble countertops and state-of-the-art appliances, ready to host intimate dinners or festive gatherings. You walk through the house, marveling at how every room, every corner feels like it was just made for you. The bedrooms are serene, the bathrooms luxurious, and the study a place where you can sit, reflect, and continue to dream in a peaceful retreat. That night, as you lie in bed, looking out at the stars through the large windows of your master suite, you feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude. The journey here wasn't always easy, but it was guided by the universe, by your belief in yourself, and by the power of your imagination. You close your eyes, feeling the stillness of the night, the cool breeze gently rustling the curtains, and the deep sense of peace that comes from knowing you are exactly where you are meant to be. Your dream home is no longer a vision, it's your reality. The universe has responded to your desires, and you've manifested a sanctuary that is simple yet luxurious, nestled in the beautiful northern mountains of Arizona. And as you drift off to sleep, you know that this is just the beginning. Your home is not just a place to live, but a foundation for all the dreams you will continue to manifest in this lifetime.